AI art tools are exploding right now, and Openart AI is one you don't want to miss. In this video, we'll explore its strengths, weaknesses, and whether it's worth your time. Let's get started. Openart AI offers a unique platform called Story Builder, which lets you create stunning visuals and videos with just a few clicks. The interface is sleek and user-friendly, making it accessible for both beginners and professionals. One of the standout features is the ability to generate high-quality images and videos from simple text prompts, saving you tons of time and effort. The tool also provides a wide range of styles and customization options, allowing you to tweak your creations to perfection. On the plus side, Openart AI delivers fast results, and the output quality is impressive, especially for social media content or creative projects. However, there are a few downsides to consider. Some users might find the pricing a bit steep, especially if you're on a tight. Additionally, while the AI is powerful, it may occasionally struggle with highly specific or complex requests, requiring multiple attempts to get the desired result. Another minor drawback is the learning curve for advanced features, which might take some time to master. Overall, Openart AI is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to explore AI-generated art and videos, offering a great balance of creativity and convenience. Openart AI offers several pricing plans to suit different needs. The Essential plan at $14 a month is perfect for beginners, allowing you to start creating images, videos, and stories quickly. The Advanced plan at $29 a month unlocks higher quality creations and deeper customization options. For ultimate power and priority features, the Infinite plan at $56 a month includes premium tools like one-click story creation, video generation, and precise image guidance. Teams can opt for the Team plan at $34.9 a month per user, which includes collaborative work, Cockspace features, shared assets, and priority support. You can check other plans on website. All plans come with varying levels of credits, generation limits, and access to advanced models, making Openart AI a flexible choice for creators at any level. Thanks for tuning in. If you're as fascinated by AI creativity as I am, give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts below. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.